What's up guys, Andy here with another episode of Tap Lab, and in this video I'm going to show you how to clear your search history for Instagram. I know there's a lot of sus people out there. You don't want your boyfriend or girlfriend to see what you've been searching for, so there's a way to clear it. First of all, let's go ahead and go to the Explore section. You can tap the search icon in the tab bar, and then we can tap search at the top of the screen. Now this is going to show you a few things. This is going to show you suggested. It's going to show you the because you follow section. And that's like, if you follow a certain account, it's going to suggest you similar people. And then below that is the recent. So I'm not going to go to recent here just because you guys don't need to see what I've searched for. But there is a recent section there, that you can see there's stuff down there. But what we want to do in order to clear the search history, to clear that recent section, so that it's no longer on there, people can't see what you have searched for, we want to go to our profile. So tap your icon in the tab bar in the bottom right corner. And then we want to tap on the three lines in the top right corner. And then we want to tap on settings on the bottom of the screen. And then we want to go ahead and tap on privacy and security, and we can scroll all the way down. And at the bottom you'll see clear search history. So tap on that, and it'll also describe that if you clear search history, you may still see accounts you've searched for as suggested results. You can remove these individually. Just go ahead and hit clear search history, and then you can say yes, I'm sure. That'll go ahead and clear out that search history. So let's go ahead and go back to the Explore section, and if we scroll down you'll see that there's no recent down there. So people can't see what you've searched for recently. And if there's anything on this section that you want to just get rid of, like let's say I didn't want this person on there, Ellie, you see I just hit this X on the right side of the screen. So I'll get rid of Total Frat Move, Cassie. You can just get rid of them, KSI. Rest in peace. And that's how you do it. That's how you clear out your search history. I hope you guys found this video helpful. Feel free to drop a comment down below if you have any questions. I'll try and answer those. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, turn on post notifications, drop a like on this video, all that good stuff. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.
Okay, don't blame your problems on the past. Go hard, go hard, go hard. You might win. Don't blame your problems on the past, 'cause that'll make you come and last, so go hard.